Today I'm going to show you how to give particle board a really cool new look. First, you sand off any paint you might have on your surface. It looks pretty nice once it's all sanded back. For the technique I'm using, I'm first going to use some stain accelerator. And this I rub on with paper towels and some protective gloves, and I work in sections. While it's still wet, I apply my first color of stain, which is an ebony. And then I just keep doing this all over until I cover the entire surface of my desk top. And don't worry about things being perfect. This is really part of the style, is making things a little blotchy, uneven, so that's okay. Once everything dries, I add one more coat of ebony stain, this time without using the stain accelerator. Stain accelerator does just what it says it does. It makes sure your stain gets absorbed quickly into the wood, so it leaves a lot of the grain coming through the stain. This is looking like a tiger print, so it came out pretty cool. But I'm going to continue working with my stain. I'm going to add another dimension with a gray stain. This is weathered gray, and I am applying it first, and then I'm using my accelerator over it just to try a different approach. And I really like how it pulls out the wood grain through the gray, and already this is looking pretty transformed. But I do want to add a final touch. I have some graphic charcoal paint by Behr, which is like an off black. I'm going to do some strokes in the direction of this tabletop. Nothing horizontal, just vertical, long strokes in random parts for a nice detail. I am dry brushing and then wiping back with some paper towels so that the paint doesn't fully cover all my stain and wood grain, because I want some of that to come through. Now I decided to seal my work here with some dark wax. I think it gives it another layer of dimension, but in hindsight, I might have tried using a clear gloss or a high gloss clear coat with this finish, because I think it would have really made it very elegant, pulled out all these layers and details and the hues in the gray stains and the off black of my paint. So either one will work, but I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more fun furniture renovation tutorials.